All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a formula to a whole column in Google Sheets. So you have these 15 rows here, and each has a quantity and a unit price. And to get the total to show, we'll do it first for row 2 here by putting in the name of the column we want to use. First of all, you need your equal sign, and then the column, and then the row times the column and the row, and there we go. You got your result right there, the sum of that. And then if we want that to apply to all the rows, we just click in that box and you get the little blue dot that you're going to drag all the way down, and great. You see how that applies to all of those rows. Now there's another way to do it that's even more dynamic, and I'm going to show you that real quick. So the way to do that is same thing. Select that starting cell, and you're going to paste this in and press enter, and you see how that applies to all of them. But let's take a closer look at what's going on here. This says array formula, and what that means is it tells Google Sheets to apply the calculation to the entire range instead of just one row. This little part at the end here, the A2 column A, B2 column B, is basically saying this is the starting place, the starting row, and then from there down, that's what we're going to apply. And then this little if statement in here is just saying if either of these columns are empty, do not run the calculation. That's what that's saying. So just leave it alone. And so you'll see if we add a new one here and put in a value, that we get automatic results. So really cool. Both of them are effective. I do like the second one a little better because it's more responsive and dynamic. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.